Okay, we have another Nintendo Switch, and it has come in for a purported port problem. Let's take a look. Yep, it has a bit of a port problem, I would say. That's pretty dorked. There are pins touching there on the top. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah, about 3 pins touching over there on the right hand side, so that could be causing or could have caused collateral damage. What we won't know until we get it apart. Okay, we're set up for removing the port. There's no point in doing any testing before we remove the port, so we'll do what we always do. We'll flood things with low melt and go from there. Okay, let's see how we did. Doesn't look like we pulled any pads. That's good. Make sure we don't have any bridge connections. No bridges, so we should be clear to test. We'll start around the M92 T36. Let's make sure our meter is connected. Grab the probes. Right on ground. Oh, we gotta be on the right. We want continuity. Okay, so this one is for, I don't know if you can even see me, what I'm doing here. I get in focus. All right, and bring some additional light to the subject. All right. So this guy is for connected to P13 USB, which is on the other side of the board. It seems all right. Goes signal line, signal line, signal line, signal line, signal line. Okay, so far everything seems all right. Let's hit the other side of it. I'm having to adjust because I haven't flipped the board around yet. Okay, that's signal line on that one. All right, everything seems all right around the M92 T36. May have gotten lucky here, but we're not done yet. Okay. That's good. All right, our filter is good. Oh, I've never run into a bad filter on that one. It's kind of weird. All right, signal. I think this is signal. Nope, that's ground. This is signal. Signal. This is a BQ 24193. Signal. 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 Okay, everything seems alright on that side. Let's go to our P13 USB. It tested okay on this side, I mean on the other side, but that doesn't mean it's going to test okay on this side. So find ourselves a ground plane. Actually, we're going to test these filters first. See if I can get you guys a little better in focus. Okay. We want all these to beep. We do not want them to be crossways. So basically what we want all those to be to continuous straight through, but not crossways. This is signal side on P13 USB, and it seems good. And get my eyepiece focus correct. I seem to have gotten a little low on my headpiece here. Oh geez, I need to do some adjusting. Alright. Okay. Everything's testing out okay, so I'm pretty hopeful that all this is a port. So let's flip the board. I need to clean this board holder. It is definitely having I have flux all over me issues. Okay. All right, I'm going to do a new port. Okay, we should be able to perform a test. Sure we're on the right voltage. Okay, that seems normal. Check the other side. And that seems normal. So far, so good. We'll assemble enough to do a test and go from there. Okay, we're assembled enough to test. I'm going to put my known good battery in. And we'll grab my cable. And let's see what happens. Plug it in. Okay, 0.47. We got half battery symbol. I don't know if y'all saw that or not. Booting up. All right, everything looks all right. I'm going to flip it around, make sure we're still charging. And looks like we're fast charging. Fantastic. All right, we're going to finish reassembling. We'll let its battery charge and then we'll do a dock test. Go from there. Okay, as you can see, we're up and running on their battery. It is currently charging. It is charging the Joy-Cons as well. I'm going to let it charge a little bit longer and then we'll set up and throw it in the dock. Because at the moment we are at 2%. So we'll let it get up to about 5 or 6% and be back. Okay, so as you can see, we're now fast charging at 1.48 amps. I am going to stick it in the dock and see if we get dock sync. So maybe I can get it in the dock. All right. I'm not getting a green light. Should help to have the power actually hooked in there. Okay, still not getting green light. There we go. Green light. Let's check and see. And there we go. Dock sync. All right. Well, that's pretty much it for this repair. Appreciate you watching. Like and subscribe. If you have any questions about the equipment, it's down in the description. Hit the notification bell if you want to know when I post stuff. And see you next time.